Hi guys, I know, you're probably super, and I mean super tired of Baby Hazel. But I tried playing other games and they are literally stocked full with ads. So, we were playing Baby Hazel, First Rain. Baby Hazel and Honey Bunny are playing in the front entrance. Do you want to be part of their merry moments? Oh, sky's turning cloudy. Is it going to be rain with the little one and see... Be with the little one, see what happens. Okay. Sounds like poetry. Okay, so that's Honey Bunny. Is anyone gonna talk about how they're like at a different house every time? Ooh, the rabbit food. The bunny on the rabbit food box looks like sus. Be quiet, Vanny. No one likes you. Okay, she wants the earth. Now she's bouncing the earth. Don't know why, but she is. Now she's riding on the horsey. Why is everything like bunny themed? Or is that just like the bunny's bowl? Yeah, eat your popsicle in peace. Come on. Why does she have like a random crib there? What happened to her bedroom? She has like a new one every game. Okay. Is her bunny gonna start crying? Oh my god! It did, okay. I've tortured you enough. I'm sorry. It's probably really hungry because Baby Hazel probably doesn't take care of it. Now we give water. Probably should have cleaned out that bowl first before you put it in the water. Why does he eat like that? Yeah, go with Baby Hazel, you weird sickos. Wasn't she trying to fight? No, she was beating up like her Katie, whatever. Oh, what was that? What was that? Shut up, Baby Hazel. We just like slap her and she'll like be calm. Look, the bunny's so scared. Why does it look like it's raining inside? Why does she have a phone? Hi, Grace. It is raining outside. Let's go to the garden and play there. There's literally lightning. There's lightning. Oh, yes. I will come to your... How irresponsible are these parents? Why is the bunny dancing? Okay. Little Princess Baby Hazel wants to get ready to go out in the rain. Dress her up in rainy costumes, accessories, so she can play in the rain comfortably along with her friend. Okay, so she's like doing some weird, creepy Baby Hazel stuff. Now she wants a biscuit. A goodbye dog, as we established. A goodbye dog biscuit. that's what we call it here. Let me get ready for play outside. What? Are they like gonna do like Alexander Hamilton outside or what? Okay, it's gonna be raining. Why are you wearing? It's gonna be raining, Hazel. Why are you wearing that? You're an idiot. I would get struck by lightning, Hazel. Didn't you just eat that green lollipop, Hazel? You're fat, Hazel. That's what you are. Yeah. Okay, what do you want? She looks so ugly. She's worse than Baby Hazel. Why are her friends so mad? Hi, let's go. Where's my umbrella? Why are you asking as if your friend would know, bro? It is raining and the little kids, Baby Hazel and Baby Grace, are out enjoying the garden. Oh, I mean out to the garden to play. Go along with them to the garden and enjoy the first rain showers. Oh, honey bunnies, also with them, take care of the little ones in their paths by fulfilling so that they enjoy the first rain to the fullest. The swing's gonna be so wet. Bro. Why is she like doing crafts? The paper would... Oh, it's underneath the thing. Okay, I guess that makes... Well, why is there like a... Is that like the pool? If there's a pool, why are there like... Why are there frogs in the pool? Or is there just like some random lake outside their house? Oh my gosh, it's Princess Tiara. Why are you scared from a freaking frog? And can that like swing? Shut up. Okay, now she's going to swing. And now there's that weird bird. And honey, oh, it's a turkey. And they're like, let us jump into the water. Dude, it's literally freezing cold. What are you thinking? There was no point in that. What a fun. What a fun. Okay, now. Why are they taking off their coats? They're gonna catch a freaking cold. No wonder baby Hazel Goes Sick came out. Let us enjoy in the fountain water. Why? It's already raining. You don't need that. Why, baby Hazel? Why? You're gonna catch a cold. Hurry, baby Hazel has had best of her time and enjoyed the first ever rains with her friends. She was only with one. She's drenched with water and mud. Give her a shower to wash them. See, I told you. Yeah. You idiot. Kind of looks like Aquaman. She like looks so relieved that she has water on her. She misses her first rain. Now we get the Vanny soap that we saw in the other Baby Hazel game. At least something's consistent. And why is her like shower so big? There was no point. Guess that soap is all purpose. Okay. Now it's... Why are you crying? Okay. Okay, now we dry her. And then we put on this new little dress. Yay, we win. So that one was pretty short, so why don't we do another one? So, to end off this video, I thought, why don't we play, hold on, wait for the title, because I forgot the name. I know it's Baby Hazel game, obviously, but we are playing Baby Hazel Bedtime. So I've played a little bit of this one before, but why don't we finish it? It is bedtime. Moon has appeared and stars are shining in the sky. Our lovable baby Hazel is also sleepy. Get baby Hazel ready for her bedtime by brushing her teeth, bathing, and applying moisturizer. Then dress her with her favorite nightsuit. Okay. Should we get her water? Okay, but who drinks water from the sink? No offense, but it's so weird. Just get like a water... Why does she drink like that? Okay. Now she's brushing her teeth. Baby toothpaste, I hope it's poisonous. Now we should brush her disgusting teeth. She probably eats poop with those teeth. Now she's drinking more sink water. He has like those little toothbrushes with the suction cups on the bottom. does she look like that? Someone Photoshop her bald. Okay, now she needs soap. Will she have like 1 bar soap for literally everything? There's nothing wrong with that, but I'm just pointing the obvious. Be quiet. You always cry when you have soap. Just don't get in your eye, you ugly baby. Okay, now we dry her. Now we put on lotion? Or what is this anyways? Now we rub in the lotion. And those are cute pajamas, actually. I like the bunny. Maybe baby Hazel isn't so bad after all. It was fun bathing baby Hazel. Now let's make the bed ready. Spread the bed sheet and place bumpers, blankets, and pillows in place. Keep baby Hazel's favorite toys at the sides. Right? So we're doing whatever that is. These pieces. Why is her lamp so creepy? And why is she still sleeping in a crib? Come on, baby Hazel. We know you're not a baby anymore. It's been like 10 years. Stop pretending. She's probably hiding from the government. That's probably why she moves. Now she has her teddy. Now she's sleeping. Now we tell our little princess wants to listen to bedtime stories. Tell a story of her choice. Be careful while she listens to the story as she may get scared. She needs lovable touches and lullabies at the time. After the story, feed her milk and say the prayers. Play lullabies for a good night's sleep. Okay. So I haven't actually gotten to this part yet. Mother said, "My girl, use these buns take these buns to your grandma's house." Why does she look quirky? On her way, Little Red Riding Hood met the big bad wolf. Wolf asked, "Where are you going, little girl?" Shut up. Stop crying. Wolf ran to Granny's house and swallowed her. Why is she a shocked face like that? Woodcutter cut open Wolf's stomach and Granny came out. Why is she saying Yahoo with that? That's so gruesome. Wolf ran away. Red Riding Hood and grandmother were happy. That's really gruesome. I think baby Hazel's a murderer. No wonder why she's moving so many times. Okay, go to bed. Yay. Alright, next level. Baby Hazel looks so cute when sleeping. Doesn't she? Do not let her smiley face turn scared because of bad dreams. Show love and care if dreams trouble her sleeping. Oh my gosh! This is FNAF. This is FNAF. This is the real FNAF origin. Confirm? She's the crying child, guys, all along. Baby Hazel's crying child. Why did I say child? And fairy grandmother comes? What the heck? Oh, that's more like Grandma Tina. This is so awkward. I think they're coming. Gotta make sure. Tap the lullaby. Why are they so weird? They look like they're having a dance party. Yeah, go back to bed, baby Hazel. Lullaby. Go away. Come back again another day. What if I just leave it there? Do they, like, eat her or something? And fairy grandmother comes again. That's awkward. Go away, Grandma Tina. No one likes you. Sorry to everyone whose grandma's named Tina. Okay, are you done? Yay! We won! Right, so that means it's time for you guys to go to bed too. So, I will see you next week, or if I find a new idea. So, goodbye.